I've seen the risk, yet chosen to stay optimistic. Tuesday's optimism only comes at the end of the day. I have chosen well, yet know how far I can push it. This day's opposition to the ones waiting back in the day. Barren trees and birds in flight. The vengeance of the child is now right. Taken to the glass to see the stubborn syllogistic. Silliness arrives in time to save this moment right now. I have chosen well, yet it was nothing of my choosing. Tomorrow never comes in time to make up for what you're facing now.